Kai da suwaye ina ta ni Atasin ban san karin mun yi ne ran
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Kamar da kuka sani sunana Sayyada Sadiya Haruna. So na ga wani video dina ne yana yawo a social media. Some people are tagging me saying, "Oh Sadiya da man yariyar nan yar iska ce." Na gaya muku ga ita nan tana kiss din wani kato. Excuse me sweetheart. Please shut up. I say shut up and mind your business. Abin da yafi uban kiss kuna yi. That man you see me kissing in that video, he's my lovely husband. May his soul rest in peace. Allow him to rest in peace. Must you know anything about Sadiya Haruna? If no, you have to mind your business. Diana and yanzu, I will still kiss him, kiss his tongue, and pass it to the world. I'm not here to please anyone, no. Okay? So please, mind your business, drink water, and sleep. Good night. Bye-bye.